Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are pretty much cultivating our garden. And I want to say thank you for everyone that comes out and view my videos. I appreciate all the love and support. Hopefully watching us do this garden and seeing things grow, it would help people want to get out and actually grow their own garden for fresh vegetables and fruit. Basically, what we're doing today is it rained the other day, so we're taking up all the grass that's growing up. We probably discussed this before on a video prior, just so in the beginning, it's pretty much a never-ending story with cultivating and keeping all that grass out. But once the plant do reach a certain length, you don't have to do it as much because the plant's big enough to where the grass won't kill the root. So we're using a gardening fork, and you're just scratching up the grass and pulling up the pieces of grass that you don't need in there. It looks like I had to get me my taste of coffee because I was up early. The girls wasn't around. They pretty much slept in. But I like to get out and try to do this early as you can before that sun comes out. Because when that sun comes out, whew, I tell you, it gets hot. So cultivating is the key, guys. Cultivating your garden is the key to a really great success when it comes to your garden. So at this point, I done pretty much cleared all of them front areas, and I'm going to do this to the whole garden. So sometimes it's better to have a small garden because it's easier to keep up with. But don't forget, all hard work pays off. So hey, just work hard at your garden and you shouldn't have no problems. Next, I'll be having to spray my fertilizer soon to keep all the bugs away and things like that. Well, I appreciate again. Please hit the like button down below. And it looks like Destiny and Zeden came out to help. They been asleep and they finally decided to come help out and do the corn and the watermelons. So, which I'm tired at this point. I think it's exhausting when you're doing it yourself. But if you get out there and get these kids to help, I swear it'll be so much easier. And it's a lot of quality time. And I love quality time spent with my children. I can't stress it enough. A family needs quality time together. Now, I did have to offer them cookies and snowballs and all that. So, otherwise they probably wouldn't be out. But hey, it's just a snowball. It's worth it when we get to spend time together. It's like bribery, but hey, whatever works. But definitely just spend a lot of time in your garden. Show your garden some love. Don't just leave it there to wither. Get out there, kill all that grass that's trying to kill it, and watch out for the bugs. Make sure we're going to spray pesticide and stuff like that. Some kind of organical, something simple that's going to keep the bugs and mites away. Recently, we just put a fence up. So the fence is keeping all the rabbits out. So hopefully they won't be eating up our corn and stuff and our strawberries. Strawberry bush looks really good. I'm excited. I can't wait. I love strawberries. And then our tomato plants looks great as well. And the cucumbers, all of that looks good. Everything is growing. It just looks wonderful. I can't believe how good it's turning out. And keep in mind, guys, that a plant grows a little bit every day. That is a true fact. A plant grows a little bit every day. So definitely subscribe, guys. Please share the video if you know anybody that's starting out a gardening. They need some extra help and would just want to watch ours grow. We would love to see you guys come out. Thanks again. We appreciate it. And see you back. Okay, so here are some other videos for gardening. Some little tips that we do. Please click on the link below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And I guess we'll see you guys later. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.